So this is the answer key for the Chapter 3 practice quiz. For the first 4, you're supposed to find the measure of the indicated angle that makes the lines parallel. So this angle and this angle are an alternate exterior angles. That means they should be congruent. So if this angle's 50, this one's going to be 50. These two are same side interior, so they should be supplementary. So if you take 69 and subtract it from 180, you're going to get 111. Number 3, these two are alternate exterior angles, so they should be congruent. So if this one's 126, this one's going to be 126. Number 4, these two angles are alternate interior angles, therefore they should be congruent. If this one's 100, this one is also going to be 100. Jumping down to the next set of problems, it says find the value of x that's going to make the lines parallel. So these two are corresponding. That means they should be congruent. So we're going to set this expression equal to this expression, subtract 59 from both sides, and we get x equals -9. For number 6, these two are alternate interior angles, meaning they should be congruent. So set the two expressions equal to each other, subtract 10 from both sides, divide both sides by 15, and you get x equals 6. For number 7, these two are same side interior, so they should be supplementary. So add the first expression plus the second expression, set it equal to 180. Then you're going to subtract 192 from both sides, divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals -6. Number 8 is also same side interior, which means they should be supplementary. So add the two expressions together, set them equal to 180. Combine your like terms, you get 10x. These go to 0. Divide both sides, 20x. Divide both sides by 20, and you get x equals 9. Flip your paper over on the back. For number 9, these are corresponding angles, so they should be congruent. Therefore, set the two expressions equal to each other. Subtract 8 from both sides, divide both sides by 6. You get x equals 7. On number 10, these are alternate interior angles, so they should be congruent. Set the two expressions equal to each other. Subtract 134 from both sides, and you get x equals -4. These two are corresponding, which means they should be congruent. Put an equal sign in between them. Subtract 80 from both sides, and you get x equals -10. Number 12, these two are alternate interior angles, so set them equal to each other. Subtract 6 from both sides, divide by 9, and you get x equals 6. Jumping down to number 13, these two angles are same side interior, so they should be supplementary. So add the two expressions together, set them equal to 180. Subtract 10, combine your like terms, and then subtract 10 from both sides. Divide both sides by 17, and you get x equals 10. Number 14, these two are alternate interior angles, so they should be congruent. Set the two expressions equal to each other. Subtract 16x from both sides. Subtract 2 from both sides, and you get x equals 4. Jumping down to number 15, these two are alternate interior angles, so they should be congruent. So put an equal sign between the two expressions. Subtract 9x from both sides. Subtract 5 from both sides, and you get x equals 10. And then the last problem, number 16, these two are alternate exterior angles, so they should be congruent. Therefore, you're going to put an equal sign between the two expressions, add 1 to both sides, divide by 32, and you get x equals 3.